Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will review one of the top most college under COMEDK, that is the BMS College of Engineering. So in this video, I will talk about the complete detail about the BMS College of Engineering Bangalore. In this video, I will give you the complete detail about the cutoff, what are the placement scenario of this college, and very important things, that how much fee you have to pay and what are the other facilities that are available in this college. So if you are planning to get into this college, then this video is gonna very important for you. So must watch the video completely. So before moving to the video, guys, if you are new viewer to my channel, don't forget to support my channel for providing such important videos. So let me talk about the BMS College of Engineering. So BMS College of Engineering, an important college under COMEDK. This was actually established in 1946 and it has all means approval, that is it is affiliated to VTU, okay, means it has affiliated to VTU and UGC approval, all things, okay. Talking about the history of the BMC, okay, so talking a little bit more about the BMS College of Engineering. So this college of engineering has a great vision and have a vision of promoting prosperity of the mankind by augmenting human resource capital through quality technical education and training. So purpose of this college is to provide the good quality of education in context to the technical and other things, and have a great mission to provide the quality of the education through the research and service need for the society. So this is the great vision of the this college, that is the BMS College of Engineering. Now moving to our next very important section, that is very important, that academics. What are the branches that are available in this college? So this college have a variety of UG and PG courses available, and talking about the UG courses or the BTech courses that are available in this. So this college provide the civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, electronics and communication engineering, industrial engineering and management, computer science and engineering, very demanding branch in this college, machine learning, electronics and telecommunication engineering, information science and engineering, electronics and instrumentation engineering, medical electronics engineering, chemical engineering, biotechnology, computer application, that is MCA courses, okay. So if you want to do the MCA or management studies, then this college provide all the curriculum or the course, okay. So these are the courses that is offered by the BMS College of Engineering. Now talking about the very important section, that how can you get into this college. So what are the steps or what are the process to get into this college. So to get this college, you have to give the COMEDK exam, that is very important in context to the Karnataka, okay. And these are the branches I have already said, okay. So how can you get for the UG courses, or either you can want to the PG courses? So you have to give the COMEDK exam, and according to that you will get the GMR rank, okay. So first is through the KEA and COMEDK, okay. So through the KEA or COMEDK you can get into this college. Second important things, you can get through the lateral entry, through the lateral entry scheme, that is the 3-year BTech courses, okay. And you have, they have some criteria too, okay. So for getting into this college, they have some criteria. And third is very important in context to that, through the management quota. So if you want to take in admission to this college through the management quota, then you can apply for this college. So 3 base, first is through the KEGC COMEDK through the lateral entry, and third is very important through the management quota. And for the management quota, these are the charges for the management quota. For CSC you have to pay 9.5, for ISC engineering 7.5, electronics and communication engineering 5.5, and AI 7.0 lakh, and mechanical engineering 3.5, civil engineering 3.0. Means according to the popularity of branch, these are the management quota fee, okay. You can check out that. And very important, guys, that the eligibility criteria is very important in context to this. For getting into this college, you must be passed by 12th with the 60% marks in physics, chemistry, or in computer science, electronics. So you must pass with 60% and above, otherwise you can't get into this college. And remember, guys, these are the fee that is not included, means hostel fee is not included in this fee structure, okay. So be careful about that. So these are the important things about the BMC, okay. Now moving to our next very important section, that is the what is the facilities available in this college, okay. So this college have all the basic facilities such as BMS hospital, library facility, hostel facility, means separate hostel for the boys and girls, have a data centers and sports facilities too. So you can, I am giving you the visual of the sports. So this college, no doubt, a marvelous sports facility, and that have a separate training, okay, means separate coaches applied for that, and that is basically the purpose of providing the educational education beside that the sports education too. So these are the facilities that is available in this college. Now moving to our next very important things about this college, about the placement. So what are the placement scenario of this college? Because you know na guys, placement is the ultimate goal for the every candidate. So if you want to get the placement and whether this college is suitable or fit for you or not, okay. So I am showing you the placement statistics from their official website of the BMS College of Engineering. So this is the placement statistics of all. No doubt this have a great placement statistics, means talking about the 2021 recent placement. So far 1488 batch size and register is 1364 and students placed is 1020, means about more than 80% placement have gotten. Internship 567 and placement percentage is 80%. So overall is the 80% placement, that is nice. And you can also have a look at the graph of the placement details. So these are the graph for the placement percentage, okay, means blue dot for the placement percentage, and this is for the internship, means yellow for the internship and other things. So you can clearly visualize that. So this is no doubt this is a marvelous placement statistics, and total internship you can clearly visualize 556 for the UG courses. For the total percentage 72, means for the UG courses 72% placement, overall placement, okay. And these are the PG courses, and for the MCA courses you can clearly visualize. And placement detail for 2022 still going on. So far for the 2022 80 placement, means 80% student got placed. For the PG 73% and MCA 76%, okay. So these are the placement statistics of this. Talking about the company that visited here, so various company, okay, various recruiting companies visited here such as the TCS, Wipro, Cognizant, Tech Mahindra. Beside that, Motorola, Ace Versus, Accenture, Ecolite, Unity, Illusion, NCR, NetApp, MTEL, Adobe, very important. Tech Hub, means tech company, that the Ericsson, Ezai, Gnosys, Nokia. So almost every company visited in this college and provide the great opportunity for the student. So a long list of that, Infosys, Infida and Residents, Renex. So variety of the company visit in this college, okay. Talking about the highest CTC, so what are the highest CTC offered by this college? So far this college, means current year, this college one student got the highest CTC 28 lakh, okay, and still going on. So there may be possibility that this college have a great abundance of placement, so they will provide, okay. And beside that, they have a separate placement training cell that is completely focused on the students, so providing the good placement scenario of all the students, okay. So this is all about the placement scenario of this college. Now moving to last section, very important, that is the cutoff. So what is the cutoff for this college, okay. So to get into this, I am showing the round 2 cutoff, means first G for the general candidates. To get into the CSE, a tough task, you must be under the 1262, means you have to under the 1300 rank to get the BE in computer science engineering. For BE in AI and ML, that you have to be under the 1405. For BE information science engineering 2156. For BE in biotechnology 16,477, means biotechnology not much more good in this. For aerospace engineering 19,802. For the electronics and instrumentation engineering 25,224. So these are the cutoff. You can also see the remaining cutoff for the 1G, 2AZ agriculture, 2BZ, and remaining cutoff you can clearly take the screenshot, because if I will talk every cutoff, then this video gonna very huge, okay. So you can take the cutoff range. So this is the third round cutoff. GM for the general rank, okay. For the GMR, general merit for the ruler. For SG 2AR, you can clearly visualize all the cutoff, okay. So long cutoff. GMK for the Karnataka, okay, for general merit for the Karnataka. So this is all the cutoff. So guys, I have covered all the cutoff and all things about the BMSC College of Engineering. That is the very and prominent college under the COMEDK and one of the topmost college, because this is the oldest college and NRF ranking so far is the 83. So great and marvelous college. So if you plan to get into this, then I hope you're all doubt regarding this college career. But if you still haven't doubt regarding anything, then you can comment here, or you can join my Telegram channel or the Instagram channel for asking you any doubts related to anything about the cutoff, placement and all things. So you can ask me in the two. So I hope this video was very important to you. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Make sure to support my channel for providing such important video. Till then, bye bye. Meet you in the next video. Jai Hind.